Well, hello, my students. Notice your homework is due this Friday, today, December 4th at midnight. Of course, I don't grade it till Sunday at noon. Not next Friday. I might have pushed the wrong button when I was typing it in. Fractional exponents. If you remember a week or two ago, if I said, what's the square root of x to the 6th, you would say, oh, you divide the power by the index. So it'd be x to the 6th over 2, which is x to the 3rd. If I said, what's the cube root of x to the 30th? Again, it's the power divided by the index. So it'd be x to the 30 over 3, which is x to the 10th. If I said, what's the 7th root of x to the 14th? Again, you would say it's the power divided by the index. So mathematicians said, hey, I could actually do radicals without writing the radical down because, oh my goodness, look at how much energy it takes to do that. So a power now has 3 parts to it. It has a plus minus a sign to it. That's one part. Plus means no change. A minus means take the reciprocal. If you remember, we did that a while ago. The m is what we normally think of as a power. That's the number of bases to multiply together. That's a long one. Then the bottom part is what I was doing up here. It's the index of the radical to be taken. So now I don't have to write, oh my goodness, look at, oh, mercy, writing all that out, tiring. So if I said, what's 16 to the 1/2 power? You'd go, okay, it's positive, so I don't move it. 1 means I have 1/16. And then the 2, since it's on the bottom, means take the square root. And the square root of 16 is 4. If I said, what's 27 to the 1/3? Again, you'd say it's positive, so don't move it. 1 means I have one of these, and the 3 means I need to take the cube root. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So if I said, what's 4 to the negative 1/2 power? Well, the negative means at some point I got to flip this. And the 2 on the bottom means at some time I got to take the square root. The top is a 1, so that means I have one of them. So 2 square root would be 2 to the negative 1. So that would be 1/2. So if I said, okay, what is 4/9 to the 1/2 power? It's positive, so no flipping. 2 on the bottom means square root at some point. 1 means don't change it. So the square root of 4 over 9 would be 2 over 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So if I said, what is 8 over 27 to the negative 1/3? The 3 in the bottom means at some point I need to cube root it. The negative means at some point I need to take the reciprocal. So the cube root of 8 over 27 is 2/3. And the negative means flip it. So if I had 81 to the negative 3/4, the negative means at some point I have to flip the base. The 3 means at some point I have to cube it. And the 4 means at some point I have to take the 4th root. Now I usually do the radical first because it makes the number smaller. So the 4th root of 81 is 3. 3 cubed is 27. And the negative power means flip it. So if I said, okay, what is 32 to the 2/5 power? Well, the 5 means at some point I take the 5th root. The 2 means at some point I square it. Now, do I want to square 32? No, that'd be huge. So I'm going to take the 5th root first. What 5 of the same things that go into 32? That'd be 2. And then 2 squared is 4. So if I said what's 8 to the negative 2/3, you'd say, well, the 3 means I need to cube root it, 2 means I need to square it, and a negative means flip it. Well, the cube root of 81 is 2. 2 squared is 4. And 4 to the negative 1 is 1/4. So if I said, what is, let's do 25 to the negative 3/2. So the 2 on the bottom means take the square root. The 3 means I need to cube it, and the negative means I flip it. So square root of 25 is 5. 5 cubed is 125. And this would be 1 over 125. Ooh. Try just a couple for me, please. Just a couple. Do, let's see, 9 to the 3/2. Do 16 to the negative 3/4. Do 36 to the negative 1/2. And do x to the half times x to the third. Freeze the video, do those 4 for me, and then turn me back on. Okay, the 2 means square root, so the square root of 9 is 3. 3 cubed is 27. 4th root of 16 is 2. 2 cubed, 2 cubed is 8. And negative means flip it. The square root is 2 on the bottom, means square root, so the square root of 36 is 6. Negative power means flip it. Then when you multiply two things the same base, you have to add the powers. So this really means the square root of x times the cube root of x. So this would be x to the 3/6 plus 2/6. So it'd be x to the 5/6. Woohoo! Okay, that was fun. In the next video, very important. Woohoo!